How to delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account that's linked to another one, or how to remove an account from Instagram. If you're dealing with multiple accounts and want to unlink or delete one, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open up the menu. Once you're in, here you can find an option called Account. Simply tap on it. Here you'll see all the accounts linked to your Instagram profile, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, or other Instagram accounts. Now, if you want to unlink your Instagram from other platforms, simply tap on the linked accounts and then select the platform you want to remove, like Facebook or another Instagram account. Once you're there, simply tap on Unlink to disconnect it from your Instagram. Now, if you have multiple Instagram's account linked to the apps, you can easily remove one from the login section. To do that, simply go to settings and search for login info. And here you'll see the accounts linked to your Instagram app. And to remove an account, simply swipe right and click on remove next to the account you want to unlink. You can also choose to log out of a specific account here. Now, if you want to delete your Instagram account completely, what you can do is simply tap on three horizontal bars, click on Account Center. From there, simply click on Personal Details. From there, tap on Account Ownership and Control and click on Deactivation or Deletion and simply choose the account that you want to delete. Now simply click on choose whether you want to deactivate or delete. Choose whichever you prefer. Simply click on continue and you may be asked to enter your password. Simply do that. After you've done that, you've successfully unlinked an account